Subscribe to our YouTube channel AJSK Show and please press the bell icon for latest update. Hey, what's up guys, back to a new video. So guys, in this video I will show you that recently I have done my 5th service center and almost I have completed a 1 year about this bike, and you can see the bike looks like it totally looks new. Okay, because in this service I have done clean polish, as you can see the polish and what are the modification which I have done in this bike. So I'm getting many commitment about this, like which bike I should buy as comparing with Pulsar. So guys, it depends upon you, like what you want exactly. If you want to go with some better mileage and better performance, so I just suggest you go with the Honda Unicorns. And if you have any passion with different pulsars, like the look wise, and if it doesn't matter about the mileage, then you can go with the Pulsar. So this was my just an overview and the comparison about the Pulsar and Unicorn. So in this video I'm going to talk to you about the Unicorn only. And almost like I haven't faced any problem with this bike. The good thing I can say about this, I'm getting a better mileage, around like 45 to 50k in between. And the engine, there is no sound in the engine, and the main thing is there is no any vibration in this bike. The performance is very good as compared to I have used Pulsar also. In that bike I'm just getting a little bit of vibration if you're taking a little bit high, like about 70 or 80. So overall, from my side, I'm just satisfied with this Unicorn bike, and I'm getting many commitment about this. Which color is better regarding gray or red? So guys, it depends upon you, like which color you like. And I think the gray is looking very good. They have launched new this color. It's look totally fantastic. It depends upon you which color you buy. And lastly, I got the comments like, sir, can you make me a video? If you have any problems regarding this bike, definitely comment, share, like. And guys, if you're new to this channel, you have to subscribe and do like, do share, so that everybody knows and they should trust about this Unicorn. Okay, yes, this is it, signing off, and again to a new video. Okay guys, take care, bye bye, have a good day.